Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a group chat on a Gmail application by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your Gmail application and make sure that you are signed in with the account that you used. And after that, you need to take a look on this button features. There will be like three sections, and the middle one is a sections that to use for creating the chat, and then you just need to go click it. And now you will have an access into the Google Chat application. So basically, to create a group chat on a Gmail, you will be generated into the Google Chat application so that you can start to create the group chat. To create a group chat, you just need to go click this button, and after that go click create space. And now you just need to add the name of the space or the group that you want to create, and after that you just need to go click next. You can now add the people. You can just choose people that you want to add into the group and go click done. And now you are done. You already create the group chat and you can start the chat right away. So that's the way how to create a group chat on a Gmail. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.